Hello everyone! Today we will be discussing and learning about an educational tool called Kid Citizen. For a warm-up, what is Kid Citizen? Well, Kid Citizen is an educational app/tool that will teach a class about who represents us in Congress and where they work. Students will work with the avatar Ella and examine primary sources through digital pictures. Students will also be introduced to the avatar Ella, learn about primary sources and what a community is. Through interactive learning, they will learn where Congress meets, they will learn who the community leader Patsy Mink is, and what state she represents. Here are instructions on how to log in and get into Kid Citizen, and you will click on the video that says Welcome to Congress, and you will play that video. We will speak more about the benefits and challenges of this Kid Citizen website in a minute, but let's take a look at an excerpt from Kid Citizen entitled Welcome to Congress. This is Ella, an avatar. Ella is a benefit as she engages the students. Ella, however, only speaks English, which could present a challenge for English language learners. This video may also present a challenge to these visually or hearing impaired. Now let's hit start to begin.
Hi, my name is Ella. We are going to go on an adventure together. We have a mystery to explore, and we will collect clues from primary sources to find the answer to our mystery question. Who represents us in Congress and where do they work? Let's go! Let's look at this picture of people from long ago. How many people do you see? Tap all.
Now we will hit every person we see in this.
That's three. Here's the fourth person. You found five people. These five people live together on an island. Do you know what a community is? A community is a group of people living and working in the same place. People living in a community help each other in many ways. One person in this picture is helping their community in a special way. Let's explore to find out more. Do you see a poster that the people are looking at? Tap it to find it.
So this poster is a primary source and we're using digital pictures. So we click on, click on her face.
This person's name is Patsy Mink. This poster says we elect Patsy Mink to the U.S. Congress. The person on this poster looks familiar. Do you see Patsy Mink standing with these people? Tap them to find her. Yes, that's Patsy Mink. She helps with the things that represent us in Congress. Let's explore more about Congress and what it is. This is a map of our country with the United States. Patsy Mink represents the state of Hawaii in Congress. Hawaii is an island state in the Pacific Ocean. Can you find Hawaii in the Pacific Ocean?
So now we will find Hawaii and where Hawaii is located and we will click on it.
Yes, that's Hawaii. Patsy Mink represents. Congress is in another country, Washington, D.C. That's far away. I want to help Patsy Mink get from Hawaii to the State Building. Does she fly, drive, swim, or ride a train? Tap the picture that shows the best way to get there.
And then you can tap on whichever picture you feel is the best way she gets there. These subheadings at the bottom, I feel like will help kids that are visually or hearing impaired because it will give them something to read. But you can't pause Ella, so you have to read at her pace. And this concludes my lesson with Kid Citizen and the challenges and benefits that come with it. My closing activity, I will have a quiz for my students to complete and for my peers to look over about Kid Citizen website.